Hello, welcome to my rose oil extraction in the glycerine. So here I would like to show you how I can make rose oil glycerine perfume oil. So here this is a freshly I prepared it with pure organic flowers which I grow from my pot, nothing artificial. And this is a mixture of glycerine, rose oil and almond oil. So these are very good and very nutritious. We can use before sleep to apply on my skin or my face. It's have give very sweet rose perfume. So let's start for preparation of this one. Hello, good morning. This is my another plant of rose, and here you can see this is beautiful rose flower is here ready. And in this plant we have two more roses are coming. One is here, rose bud is almost ready to come, and this is here, and few more. This is number 4, and here is this number 5 and number 6. One I already have broken, and then some more buds are there. So this is my rose plant. It has some other plants also inside. It's like a arbi or gunya, and so I'm going to plug this one. And if I will show you inside, you can see here there are many bugs inside, or small bugs are there. So here you can see this now you can see this yellow color. So they are all here. So I'm going to plug this flower, and then it's very easy to plug them. Only I plug you can see and then place them here in my strainer and just shake it so that all the bugs will be gone. Once they will be gone, I will let them dry these flower petals in the shade so that they can retain all the fragrance and naturalness. And I will wait for these for some time. Hello. So here I'm taking this glycerine, and these are my dried rose petals. So let's see. And I have here, which is a dried and clean bottle, to place it on the balance. So this is around 85 gram bottle. And then on this I will add glycerine. Ten 120. So it's around 25 gram glycerine, and this glycerine is 25 gram. So I am taking this around 25 gram glycerine, and this glycerine is called 99.5% anhydrous. So still there is some moisture, which is good. And then this is my glycerine is ready, And here you can see I make this paper boat, and I want to see how much rose petal I have total. So these are it's around 5 grams. So here I'm taking around 10 or 12 roses. I dried all the rose petals and I dried under shade without sunlight. And here I'm taking around, I think this is 4 or 5 gram 4 or 5 gram dried rose petals are there. So, and how nicely you can see they have dried, looks very dark in color. So I'm going to add all these into my glycerine. Push them with your hands so that they can one more time. You can use this wood stick to press all these inside. Maybe I need to add some more 5 ml, 5 gram more. So let's take this is around, this is here 150, 140, 130. So 130, and then I'm going to add 5 gram more. Okay. So basically I have around 30 or 35 gram glycerine. So here I have around 30 or 35 gram of glycerine. And in this one 4 or 5 gram of rose petals. Now they are very nicely soaked, and then I will close this one real tight. Now it's real tight, and then we will heat this in the steam. So let's start for heating. So to start heating, I started this gas. And here's my pan. Add some water. Then I will put a strainer here. And after that I'm putting this rose and glycerine mixture to heat them. And then we'll cover with this glass so that I can see. I'm just adding so that I can see. So I will heat in the slow heating, and I will show you after some time. So I want to heat for at least 30 to 45 minutes in a slow heating. So now you can see it's slowly I'm heating, and it's around 25 minutes is done. So still I'm going to heat around 30 or 35 minutes slow heating, and after that I will let it cool down. Once it will be lukewarm, then we will filter it. So, and we have to keep checking that there should not be water, should not be evaporated everything. And so leave it as such. So now you can see it's time to open it. I have just it's still a little warm, and here is glycerine with, look like everything is soaked inside. So now I will filter it. So here I already have one clean dry bottle. I label it with glycerine plus rose oil, perfume oil, and here I am taking this coffee filter. So add it here. Maybe I need to cut this a little bit. And then here I have a rubber band. So here you can see now the glycerine and rose have some color also. So we'll filter everything. So now you can see I filter it everything, and here is my dried flower petals. Still they have a lot of glycerine, and here is this bottle. And here's my glycerine with rose oil. It's a beautiful color, and I'm smelling, it's very sweet and sweet smell of the rose and glycerine both. So this is ready to use, glycerine, rose oil, perfume oil. Now what can I do? I have this small glass bottle here, so I'm going to add one, two, three. Let me show you this side. 4, 5, 6, 7, and last 8 part. So I can use directly this on my skin, you know, it has very good sweet smell. And I have one more thing here, which is rose almond oil I already made, and if you want to see its preparation, I am going to add the link in the description. You can watch it. So what can I do? I can add this 2 part of rose plus almond oil also in this one to make it more nutritious, my oil. So let me just, so 1 part and one more. That's it. So here you can see this is a glycerine 8-part and 2-part rose plus almond oil, and I have very unique cap of this one, and on the top there is a, you can see here is plastic ball, and I will cover it so it's written rose perfume oil. Shake it. Usually they are not mixing to each other, but they will give you very good mixture of two different oil. And if you want, you can include some vitamin E also capsule in this one. So this will be ready, and I can use directly on my skin like this one. You can apply directly like this. So here I would like to say you thank you for watching this my glycerine rose oil perfume. I hope you like this video, and make it and try, tell me how it look like for you. Thank you.